Department of Public Health, Karen Butler.
Everybody. I'm honored to be here tonight on behalf of Mayor Frank G. Jackson to say thank you to each and every one of us, each and every one of you who've chosen to share this occasion tonight. And tonight, as is fitting for World AIDS Day, we also have international guests representing hospitals, government agencies, the educational system as well. They're here from Burma, Nigeria, Oman, Tunisia, and Zimbabwe. Please raise your hands, come forward. They've come a long way to be with us tonight. Their presence here is sponsored by the World Council on World Affairs, so we're really, really thrilled to have you all here celebrating this important event with us. And there will be opportunities for you to have dialogue with so many of us who have spent years in addressing HIV and AIDS. So thank you very much. We especially recognize the members of our community who advocate on behalf of those infected and affected by HIV/AIDS and persons with this disease. World AIDS Day is an opportunity for people worldwide to unite in the fight against HIV, to show their support for people living with HIV, and to commemorate people who have been lost. Today, we pay tribute to the millions of people living with HIV and AIDS in the United States and around the world, and in the city of Cleveland as well. The theme for this year's observance is Getting to Zero, which echoes the United Nations AIDS vision of achieving zero new HIV infections, zero discrimination, and zero AIDS-related deaths. For this reason, we gather this evening to applaud a vision we can finally see. It was over 30 years ago that we learned of our first case of AIDS, as in June 1981, and to date, this epidemic has claimed the lives of nearly 30 million persons worldwide and an estimated 34 million persons currently who are living with HIV infection. In the United States, the CDC estimates that 1.2 million persons are living with HIV, and as of December 31st, 2011, there are 3,165 persons living with HIV/AIDS right here in Cleveland. No one should become complacent about HIV and AIDS because there is no cure for HIV infection. An individual's lack of knowledge about their HIV status will not only prevent them from accessing the needed care, but it may increase the possibility that they will spread the virus to others. We recognize that HIV testing and linkage to care can save lives, and we're working to build on these successes to help ensure that more people live longer and healthier lives. Much work still needs to be done, but today, new scientific knowledge combined with proven success in implementing prevention, care, and treatment can provide the opportunity to save the lives of millions of people living with HIV and AIDS. So it's through our continued commitment, we pledge to prevent the continued spread of this disease and allow for HIV testing, condom distribution, education and prevention activities, and we can achieve the goal of an AIDS-free generation and prevent the transmission of the virus to millions of people yet to be born, to end this pandemic once and for all. Thank you all so much for sharing in this wonderful occasion tonight.